Not for the YouTube video. It's kind of, my shirt is dirty.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Good afternoon or evening. Good evening. It's 2:45. Today been kind of busy, but I did want to vlog today because it's girls' night. So I'm like, I'm gonna let y'all in on girls' night tonight, okay? But anyways, welcome back to my channel. Doing so good. 2 videos in 1 week. Well, you know what? Let me not get ahead of myself because I don't know if I'm going to have this posted by the end of this week. Being that today is Thursday. But I should have it posted by Saturday. Maybe Friday. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah. So today we are having a date night. Earlier, well, not date night. Well, girl date night. So it's their date night. But earlier, as you saw in the video, I've been up since like 6:45 today. But I'm just not being able to get on the camera just because I had breakfast. I went to Sweat, which is a workout class I go to. And then I had to come home and wash my hair and blow dry it, as you see. That's why it's looking all crazy. I had to wash and blow dry my hair because I'm trying this ponytail. Yeah, I'm trying a ponytail, which is so funny. But I'm trying this ponytail that I've never done before. That's on TikTok. It looked like it was really easy. It had like, you can just put your braid on it and wrap it around. So the one I saw on TikTok was like a hole that you could just stick your braid in and wrap the piece around. The one that I have, I couldn't find that one. The one I have, it kind of sucks. I gotta like, it has like a clip I think that you could put in behind it, but it still has that extra piece that I can wrap around the hair. So I'm gonna try the low ponytail where I part my hair in 3 sections. I think they like part it in the middle, then have the part right here, and then you know, brush your hair back and down or whatever. That's what I'm trying today. So we're gonna see how they go. I'm getting dressed at my friend's house because we want to kind of like chill, smoke hookah, get dressed together. Hopefully I have time to do a get ready with me. And then I want to also record how I did my ponytail. So it's already going to be in the wash and clean and blow dry state. But from here, I'm going to record like how I actually do the ponytail. Just to see if I can do it how the TikTok video had it. But yeah. Right now, I'm actually about to get ready and go ahead and go over there because our dinner reservation is at 7, and like I said, we want to chill and stuff, and I still have to stop by the store, or the hair store, and grab a few things. So hopefully I get over there by 3:30, and we're able to chill from 3:30. Oh, and she's cooking some fish for us for lunch, even though I know that's greedy. We got dinner reservation at 7, but a girl gotta eat, right? How about I'm gonna take you guys with us to dinner. Hopefully I can get some good pictures for my Instagram. I want to do a TikTok of today video. Well, just us going out to dinner. Not like my entire day, but just us going to dinner. And hopefully I can talk her into doing a get ready with me. Because I'm bringing my stuff so we can zoom in. But I ain't told her yet. So we going to see. If I have one, I'm going to put in the clip after this and show y'all. That means I done edited and put it up already. But that's what I'm about to do. And I fixed the hookah while I was blow drying my hair because I didn't know how long it was gonna take to blow dry my hair. Y'all, I use this, which I'm sure I'm probably late because I don't put heat to my hair, so I'm sure y'all probably know about it. But bro, this was the best thing my friend could have got me because instead of holding a hair dryer and doing the brush like this, that was so much convenient, and I feel like it dried my hair faster. And I did it on I did the heat thing on low and I did it on cool. So I didn't even have to turn it all the way up because I needed my hair to dry pretty fast because I should be out the house. Well, not really. I'm making good timing. 2:51, I'm making good timing because she's taking a nap right now. So, yeah. But I'm about to get off this camera and smoke this hookah just a little bit. Because I'm going to smoke hookah when I get over there. But I had to fix it while I was blow drying my hair. So when I was taking my breaks, I was smoking the hookah. So I technically should have been done. But, you know, y'all understand. We get to doing a lot of different stuff. So, yeah. And this is the little set I think I'm going to wear for the get ready video. Hey, guys. So, I'll talk to you later.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know you know better. Know your groove better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got, should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Deep dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Up on my ladies, up to my ladies. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you don't want no one beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the distance, only thing that's stuck with me. Only thing that was real, only thing I could feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
I didn't know what he said. I was just like, what? I think that's so cute, friend. Okay guys, hey guys, this is the end of this vlog. Dinner was